Welcome aboard this brand new 2025 Aviara 28-foot outboard. This model is the newest in their lineup, and we have it here today in Westbrook, Connecticut. Starting at the back of the boat, this boat is powered by twin Mercury 250 Verados with joystick steering. Really nice for docking, holding your spot with skyhook if you're waiting to fuel up or need to throw out fenders. Really nice feature. Nice swim platform with Aviara's SeaDek material throughout the boat. We've got some controls here on the port side for the radio, 12-volt charging, and actually a switch for our electrically actuated hardtop, which can fold down for storage or bridge clearance. Large sun pad for sun tanning, and it actually has a lever to pull to extend it out for a little bit more room if you're spending the day lounging at the beach. As you begin to walk in through the cockpit, we're on dedicated storage for fenders. There's a freshwater washdown, flagpole holder, and we've got easy access to the batteries behind the bolster on the starboard side. Down in the cockpit, we've got storage underneath our seating. This entire hatch opens up, so there's storage under there, as well as each seat individually opening for more easily accessed storage. We've got our nice Cordova cooler with the Aviara logo on there. And you also notice that the cup holders and phone holders are really lightweight material, breathable, smart design by Aviara to have in there. The material of the seating is cool feel vinyl, so it stays cool even when sitting in the sun all day, and it's got a really nice firm sit to it. Very easy to clean as well. This model has the optional grill and sink with the refrigerator underneath. So you could spend an entire day grilling out on the water with your family and friends. Cup holders in the back on top of the Corian countertop. Storage underneath the floor. And both the helm seat and the co-pilot are adjustable backrests that move forward and back with the bolsters for added height if you wanted to use it as a leaning post. As you make your way forward, we've got access to the head with the port window that opens. Plenty of headroom in there. I'm 6'1" and have room to go. Sink, toilet paper holder, and storage access in the head. At the helm, we've got a beautiful inlay with a Simrad display and all of our features and adjustments on the boat itself, like lighting, stereo, hatches, switches, are all digital here with the redundant down in front of our dynamic trim tabs. There's lots of induction chargers on this boat, so you can just plop your phone on one of the pads and have the phone charge without plugging anything in, losing wires, as well as a chilled cup holder for the captain. Really nice feature by Aviara. As we make our way forward to the bow, really nice deep seating. We've got our bow filler cushion inserted now. If this was up out of the way, we've got footroom with storage underneath on the deck. Again, cup holders, radio controls, USB outlets on both sides, anchor windlass at the bow, and just a really nice, comfortable, deep sit. This is the gray interior and a black exterior on the hull with gray accents. Really sharp looking boat. We'd love you to come and visit us at Westbrook MarineMax and see the Aviara 28 outboard today.